Ellie here. Thanks for stopping by my channel. And today's my wash day. As you can see, this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need mayonnaise, 1 egg, no boiled egg, just a regular egg from your fridge, and shea butter that you get from the store. So first you're gonna need shea butter, and you're gonna need an adult for this because you're gonna have to put it in the microwave. So you can't do this because then you might burn your fingers or something. So a couple pieces, or like 3 pieces if you want. I'll do 4 since I'll do 4. One more. Right now my mom is microwaving the shea butter. And then we already put the mayonnaise in and the egg, but we're gonna need another egg. The shea butter is melted. It looks like butter, and let's put the shea butter inside. It looks kind of weird. And then my mom's gonna put rice in. Well, I can put the rice in. Come on. I'm just gonna put it in with my finger. Okay, so now we're gonna need an egg. And I grabbed it a little bit. Okay, that's good. Okay, now guys, we're gonna mix up. This is the fun part because it's like slime. I like this part. My favorite part. Guys, let me show you. See it? It looks so cool. Okay guys, now we're in the bathroom and we just mixed all the stuff up. So this is what you need. You need a big hair tie from the store. You need 2 clips and a mixing brush for your hair. And then a rat tail comb to part your hair. So let's mix it in 4 sections. See? And now what we're going to do is apply this, the mayonnaise, and egg. You kids that are like 4, you don't do this. Like when you watch it, don't create it by yourself. You're gonna need, your mom is gonna have to do it for you. But if you're like 6 or 7 or old, or like how old you are, you can do this. Cause you can do it by yourself. Come on. But you're gonna need a dot for 1 part. The microwave.